Before I start this video, I just want to say something. For those watching, this video has no fancy text, no fancy graphics. It's just me talking to you, exchanging important information. This video is for those who are serious about their craft. In this case, filmmaking, cinematography, video creation. If you're not serious about that, or you're just doing a hobby or whatnot, you're lazy, just click off this video because this is for the real people, the ones dedicated to perfecting the craft. Do you guys know when you hit your creativity plateau and you can't make any videos better than the video you made last, and you keep trying to research and stuff but nothing works? Well, this is why. You are stubborn. You think you know it all and you don't want to take information or tips or hacks from anybody. That is your problem. You actually have to regard people's information as important because they're coming from a different perspective that they might be seeing something you're not seeing because you're too stubborn to see. You want to learn from people, whether it's your parents, your friends, brothers, sisters, whoever. You want to pay attention to their feedback because their feedback could really improve your videos. One reason why people are too stubborn and don't want to take someone's information is one, they're too lazy. They don't want to look up a video. Let's say a friend's like, hey man, found this video that would really benefit you. You should watch it. And if like that person never watches it, then being stubborn, you're not taking in the information. You're just being like, okay, I'm passing it by. You need to go see what your friend's talking about, which is, in that case, clicking on the video. Another example is, let's say your coworker. He tells you, hey, you should mount your camera actually like this and make sure the lens is like this and make sure these settings are on. And if you say, okay, but never do it, that's being stubborn, and that is one lost opportunity to becoming better at your craft. In this case, you would say, thank you. And then next day, or even that same day, you go do what he's telling you about, rigging your camera a certain way, or adjusting some settings, or if you don't know those, you search them up. You also have to take responsibility for your learning, which means watching tons of videos, reading tons of books, watching tons of courses. You want to invest in your learning and education for your craft because, quite frankly, if you're just in your little bubble, make videos in a little bubble, your videos won't get better than that bubble. It's kind of a limit and they just keep circulating and you keep making mediocre videos or the same thing in the little bubble. You want to pop the bubble, expand, learn information from anyone and everyone. The moral of the story is take people's feedback, take their tips, take their advice, implement it, research it, and also take control of your education for your craft. Those are the main points, you know. If you don't know anyone that's like that, then you're probably that person and you should start taking advice from other people. Maybe you should seek a mentor. Mentors will help you immensely because they're giving you a different perspective, most likely way better at you at the craft you're trying to become better at. So they will give you perspective, different angles, and tell you how to become better. So get a mentor. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you feel convicted that you're that person and that you need to start taking advice from people, maybe you should start from subscribing here. Take the advice from me. I'm not the best, but I am something and I can give you the advice I do know. And if you're not that person and you know a friend who's like that person, send this video to them. It might help them change their minds and actually take in your advice because I'm sure your advice is amazing. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.